Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon, teachers! Mabuhay!
Okay. Please remain standing for our opening prayer. Led by Mary Grace. Okay, before you take your seat, please observe the arrangement and please pick up some piece of mush under your chair and enjoy gadget, keep silently and put it in their bags. Don't use it in our class unless it's profit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Checking of attendance. Secretary who is absent. Okay, thank you. Let me remind you about this classroom rules. Our classroom rules is the word, what word? Listen. So L is
Lower your voice.
lower your voice because if all of you are going to talk, there's a possibility you didn't understand our lesson. Next is I.
Increase your attention.
Okay, increase your attention. I want you, all of you, your attention is on me. Okay? Then Diamond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, S.
Search your
Okay,
goal.
search your goal. You have a goal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To achieve that goal, what will you do? Listen. Dahil ang kaso ng hiling ay malayo na alam. Next is T.
Ease your mind.
Next is E.
Engage in class.
Okay, engage in class. Meron tayong group activity later. I want all of you to participate in your group. And last is,
Never leave your notes blank.
okay, never leave your notes blank. Okay? Okay, bakit ulit yung class rules natin? Yung word lang.
Listen.
Okay, listen. Okay, now, when I say chicken, you answer nuggets. When I say nuggets, you answer?
Chicken.
Okay, chicken?
Nuggets.
Nuggets?
Chicken.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's have an activity. That will serve as a review to our previous lesson. The game is titled, Guess the Word. Guess the magic word. Are you familiar with this game?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The mechanics of the game. Please read number 1, group number 1.
The learners will be divided into 5 groups.
4 groups lang tayo ngayon, hindi na 5. Okay? The learners will be divided into 4 groups. Then pangalawa, group number 2.
Speaker determines which group responds to the question.
Group number 3.
The learner chooses one door. Door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4, or door 5 without knowing the question behind it.
Okay, number 4.
Once the learner selects a door, the teacher reveals the question behind the chosen door.
Okay, number 5 is the learner will answer the given question after the door is open. And do you have any question about the game?
Answer, sir.
Okay, if you don't have any question, let's start our game. Okay, the first group is, okay, group number 4 na lang. Okay, group number 4 is your question. Pick a door first. What door? Door number 4. Okay, this is the door number 4. Pick a door group number 3. 2. Door number 2. Okay, now may answer na. Narinig ko yung salit na central angle. The answer is
Central angle.
okay, next group. Group number 2. Door number 5. It is a segment whose endpoints are the center and a point on the circle. Radius. Okay, ano last group? 1. Door. A line segment that has its endpoints on the circle. May sagot na? Anong sagot? Chord. The answer is chord. Okay. I have two questions here, and I want you to answer the question in your own opinion. Okay. First question is, why is it important to understand the different parts of a circle? Anyone? Why is it important to understand the different parts of a circle? Anyone? Yes. Okay, thank you. Number 1, why is it important to understand the different parts of a circle? Tama yung sagot niya. Understanding different parts of a circle is essential because it forms the foundation for geometry. Allows us to solve real-world problems, like sabi niya, para masukat or para mahanap yung mga measurement ng circles. Number 2, anyone? Will you think of any careers where understanding of a circle is essential? What career? Anyone? Ethan. Okay, math teacher. Any answer? Yes.
For the architect.
Architecture. Next. Any answer? Yes. Okay, engineer. Those answer is correct. So, architect, designers, engineers, bakers, math teacher. Is essential yung concept ng circle. Okay. I have your illustration here, and I want you to identify the following. First is the second. Where's the second here? What color? Green. Where is the tangent? Tangent. What color? Yes. Ikaw?
Yellow.
Yellow. Next is segment of a circle. Orange.
Sir.
Next sector of a circle.
Blue.
Blue. Now, our topic for today is illustrating second tangent, segment of a circle, sector of a circle, have your circle, then isa-isayin natin siyang i-discuss kung ano nga ba yung mga yun. First, what is second again? Group number 4. What is second? Makibasa.
A second is a line that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. Every second contains a chord of the circle.
Okay, a second is a line that intersects a circle at exactly how many points?
2
2
points.
points. The second is like this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because sabi doon, a second intersect a circle at exactly 2 points in a circle. Ito yung circle, then have a 2 points, right? Okay? Line RC is a second line. R's and C. Line RC is a second line because they have an intersection at 2 points in a circle. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Chicken,
Nugget.
nuggets.
Chicken.
Okay, next is, what is tangent? Group number 1.
Tangent is a line that intersects a circle at exactly 1 point. This point is called the point of tangency or point of contact.
Okay, a tangent is a line that intersects a circle at exactly how many points?
1.
Exactly what points? Ganito siya. Because there have a one intersection point here. Dito. In a circle, there have a one intersection point. Yan. Line J is a line. Is a tangent line. Then yung point dito is yung tinatawag na point of tangency or point of contact. Yung point G is yung point of tangency. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we differentiate the two. The second, how many points again? 2. The tangent?
1.
What do you call this point?
Point of
Okay, point of tangency. Now, let's proceed to the segment of a circle. Look number 3.
Segment is the area enclosed by the arc of a circle and a chord.
Okay, a segment is the area enclosed. Ano ba yung sabihin pag enclosed? Ano yung sabihin pag enclosed? What do you mean? Enclosed, here sa nakapaloob sa what? Arc of a circle and a chord. Yan. Here's the chord, and ito yung natawag dito. Arc. Yung sinawag natin na segment of a circle. Segment of a circle, there are two types, or two branch. This is the minor segment and major segment. Minor segment is less than 180 degrees. Ito, minor segment siya. So 180 degrees siya. Then the major is greater than 180 degrees. Again, what is major arc? A major segment greater than 180 degrees. Minor segment less than 180 degrees. Yeah. Yan. Yung green in yung major segment is greater than 180 degrees. Then yung blue in yung minor segment. Next is group number 2. Sector of a circle.
Sector is the area enclosed by the arc of a circle and two radii.
Okay. Sector of a circle. A sector is the area enclosed again by the arc of a circle and two radii. The segment kanina is enclosed by the arc also and the chord. Itong sector of a circle, enclosed sa segment. Yung measurement ng minor sector is less than 180 degrees. And yung major sector, greater than 180 degrees. Now, yung segment of a circle, ano ulit? Enclosed by in a sector. Okay. In a sector, remember nyo lang yung toradi. Then sa segment is chord. Chord, then yung sector is toradi. Chicken.
Nuggets.
Nuggets.
Chicken.
Okay. Yan siya. Yung minor sector, then yung major sector. Ito yung angle ng major sector, ah. Iba doon. Kasi yung angle ito sa arc siya. Guess, no? Dito, yung angle. Yun yung angle dito. Okay. Will you cite of an object or things illustrating secant, tangent, segment, and sector of a circle? Object na represent yung discuss natin kanina. May sector siya, may secant siya, may tangent siya, then may segment. Any object in this classroom, yes, electric fan. Why? Oh, why? Bakit electric? Circle po kasi. Circle siya. Then, kung conventional electric fan, meron siyang maliliit na ano tawag dito? Sector. Ano yung electric fan? Di ba may sector siya? Anong kind siya ng sector? Minor or major? Kasi? Okay, ganda naman nag-decrease yung measurement ng angle niya. Any example? Okay. I think. I have an example here. Saan makikita to? Okay. This is the, what do you call this one? This is the steering wheel. Steering wheel on shift. Ano? Ano yung makikita nyo dyan? Sector, segment, secant, or tangent? Sector, then secant. Anyone who makakagturo sa akin nung secant dyan? Anyone? Ethan, turo mo. Yan. Saan? Ulit. Sector. May sector? Secant. Asan? Ito? Okay, ito. Okay, yung second dyan is ito, yung mga yan. Kasi meron siyang intersecting 2 points. Ito yung points, ito yung point 2. Point 1, point 2. Okay? Ano ba? Meron pa? Sector. Kasi? Ano? May minor sector. Ito yung mga minor sector niya. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is bridge. In a bridge, they have a segment here because they have a tawag dito. Chord. Then, ito. Arc. Next is electromagnetic wave. Diba, in your science class, in your science subject, you studied waves, right? Okay. When making calls or using other Wi-Fi services, it create waves. O anong concept yung ma-apply? Makita niyo dyan. One concept. Tangent, segment. Okay. In electromagnetic wave, this is the example of segment. Turuan mo nga, first to second. Ano? No. Turuan mo. Okay. Ito. Then next. Slice of pizza. Why? May minor and major. Where's the minor? Yung may slice. Okay, next. Machine. Sector, bakit? Ulit. You have a minor and major sector. Okay. Next. Why tangent? Kasi nabasa ko dito, sir. Ano? Okay, turo mo ulit. Turo mo sa kanila. Where's the tangent line? Yan, tangent line. There's a two ball, then they have a line intersecting at one point. In the same ball. Okay. Next is a bicycle. Wheel. Anong concept? Sector. Ano pa? Ano pa? Tangent. Where's the tangent? Gilbert, where's the tangent? Tangent. Okay, the tangent line is here, the color blue line. Kasi diba, nag-intersect yung line sa wheel. And exactly, how many points? One. What do you want this point?
Point of tangent.
Point of tangent. Very good. So now, to test, if there's any question, if there's no question, let's have an activity to test if you really understand our lesson today. Okay, that activity is think, fail, share activity. Ito yung pinagdala kayo ng bond paper, compass, and coloring materials. Ito yung by care. Open out your materials. Wait lang. Okay, for this instruction, each pair will draw a circle on bond paper and label the following. Okay, it's up to you what color is the second, the tangent, segment, sector. Basta, malalagyan niyo siya ng label. Lagyan siya ng name kung ano. Ang ganito na siya. In 5 minutes.
Wait lang, sir. Wait.
After that, I call one pair to discuss their output. Do your activity quite silently, ha? Write your name upper left side. a number, then choose pair to present your output. What number?
14. 14. 14. 14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Present niya dito yung word. Represent ka lang kung asan dyan yung second, tangent, segment. Yun lang. Ay, pag yung nalagyan ng dyan na lang ang alam. Short presentation lang. I-identify nyo lang yung what is the second tangent. Okay, then diamond. I listen to the presenter. What concept is the yellow line? Segment. Okay, ano pangalan mo? Year 5 class 4, Ira and Alex. Okay, 5 blocks. Okay. So now, how are the concepts of second, tangent, segment, and sector of a circle used in fields like engineering, architecture, and design? So, paano ba ginagamit yung concept na yan? Anyone? Hazel? Any answer? Yes. Sa pag measure nila ng mga ano ba yung measure nila? Okay, mga bintana pinto yan. So, these concepts are fundamental in many fields, particularly those dealing with shapes and measurement. Sabi nyo kanina, di ba? Sa pagsukat ng or pag-measure ng mga object na i-build nila. So in engineering, they use secant and tangent for designing curved structures like bridges, tunnels, and aircraft wings, di ba? Yung engineering, ginagamit nila yung secant sa tangent sa pag-design ng mga curve. Di ba yung mga curve? Like, di ba ito yung curve? Curve, like yung bridges kanina. Di ba may curve doon? Ginagamit nila yung secant and tangent para malaman yung sukat mo. Then, they have determined the angles and shape of curves for stability and efficiency. Okay, engineering use segment and sector in calculating the what? Calculating the volumes and surface areas of curved structures. Yung surface area ng curve, saka yung volume niya. Ginagamit nila yung segment and sector to find the measurement. Okay? Chicken. Nuggets. Chicken. Okay. Tayo sa field of architecture. Architecture use secant and tangent in designing. Di ba kanina, build sa engineering, sila yung gumagawa. Ngayon naman, designing, sila yung gumagawa na ginagawa ng mga architect. Yung mga plates nila, yung may mga sukat-sukat na plates. Yun, ginagamit nila yan para mag-design ng curve ng walls, di ba? Nila-drawing ko na siya bago siya i-build ng mga engineer. Di ba? Then, roof, may mga roof tayo naka-curve, right? Then, windows. Di ba sa windows, may windows na ganyan, then may curve sa taas. Yun yung ginagamit nila, yung second and tangent, yung mga architecture. Sa plate yun. Then, architecture use segment and sector in calculating the area of a curved surface. Next, in the field of design or designer. Ano ba yung mga designer natin? Sino ba sila? Okay, yung fashion designer. Ano pa? Okay, yung architect, designer din. Right? Okay. Designer use second and tangent in creating smooth curves. Ito sa mga damit natin, mga curves. Ginagamit ng second and tangent yan to design a product na smooth curves. Then, use segment and sector in designing circular. Designing circular elements in, ano ba yung mga circular elements natin? Yung mga graphic designer din, example din siya ng design. Graphic designer yung nag-edit ng mga logos. Yung logos ng school nyo, ginamitin nyo ng segment and sector. These concepts are just a few examples of how these geometric concepts are applied in various fields. Okay. So now, for better understanding, we have an group activity. Okay, group 1 ulit, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Yung tatlo game siya. This is the group activity. Name, anong name ng activity?
Rank Panalo!
Or rank panalo. There's the mechanics of the game. The class will be divided into 4 groups. And each group choose a letter for the question. And after you answer the question, choose if the box is rank panalo. Yung box na yun is, pili kayo kung rank panalo or rank palit. Kung rank panalo, if you want to take the points, kukunin niyo yung points na yun. Then kung rank palit, mamimili kayo ng group kung kaya niyo ibibigay yung points na yun. Okay. Then, the group with the most points will be declared the winner. Okay? Okay, yung winner dito is nagkaharap kayo ng token. Simple token prices. Okay, galingan na. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir!
Do you have any question?
None, sir!
Okay. Be careful, the square box will make your score high or low. Negative siya or positive. Be careful ha. Okay. Are you ready, madlang learners?
Yes, sir!
Okay. Let's start our group activity. Okay, group 1. Mga tayo. What letter? Letter? Letter A. Here's your question. In 30 seconds. What do you call the region bounded by the north and the arc in southwest? Region bounded by the north and the segment. Tama ba sila? Okay. The answer is segment. Okay, group number 1. Rank panalo or rank palit? Rank? Okay, rank panalo. Group number 1 is your points. Okay, let's add it from your 200. Okay, group number 3. Group number 3, what that? Boy. Boy? Okay, letter B. What's your question? that intersect a circle at 2 points. What? Second. Answer is second. Okay, group number 3. Ram panalo, ram palit. Ram panalo. Okay. Okay, listen na lang ito lang. Okay, next is group number 2. Sunod talaga kayo, ha? Okay, this is question. What is the term for a line that crosses a circle at exactly 1 point? Tangent. Answer is tangent. Okay, group number 2. Ram panalo or ram palit? Okay, ram panalo daw. Sure? Hindi na magbabago. Ram panalo na. Okay. Next group number 4. Hi. Okay. Engineers are designing a gear system. One gear touches another gear at a single point, transferring rotational motion. Which geometric concept describes the point of contact between the gears? What? Sure? Letter C is wrong. Anyone? Group. Sino ang mag-steal? Manahan. Wala kang pagkal. 1, 2, 3, go. Anong sagot? A is wrong. Okay. B is wrong. Okay. Wala na ang wrong. The answer is letter D. Okay, next tayo. Wala na tayong kwesta. Sayang po. Okay, group number 1 at left. G. Which of the following would represent a second line on a Ferris wheel? Okay, yan ang sagot. Anong sagot? Letter D is wrong. Okay. Letter. Letter D. Letter D. Okay. Group number 4. Ram panalo or ram palit? Ram? Okay. Ram panalo. Group number 4. Okay. Okay, next. Group number 3. Letter E. It is the portion of the circle enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc. Okay, the answer is sector. Okay, group number 3. Ram panalo or ram palit? Ram? Sure? Okay, group number 2. Group number 2. Letter D. What is the point where a tangent touches a circle called? Ano answer letter? Dog. Okay, the answer is letter D. Okay, group number 2. Rampanalo, rampalit. Kaninong group? Sa 3? Okay, group number 3. Group number 4. Later, later. What do you call the region bounded by a court and the artist receives substance? What do you call? Letter? Letter C. The answer is letter C. Okay, group number 4. Rampanalo, rampalit. Rampanalo, sure? Sure na sure. Group number 4. Ay, may tayo na. Sorry. Ang dalawang lang yung maglalaban.
Basta iwan kami sa kumang.
Ano tayo? Sige nga, group number 1. Then yung tatlo pa yun, no? Okay. Which of the following best describe the highlighted pixel size? Which of the following best describe the highlighted? Green. Okay, the answer is mali. Kaya ang sabi sa ganda. Tama sila. Okay. Group number 1.
Ang panalo.
Sure. 100. Okay, group number 1. Okay, sa group number 3 muna tayo. Kaya yung dalawa. Group number 3. Group number 3. Ano letter? 8. What do you call the region bounded by a court and the art is substance? O, anong sagot? Group number 3. Okay, the answer is sex and okay. Group number 3. Panalo sure. Okay, group number 3.
Negative. Negative.
Okay, group. Okay. Ngayon,
Basta wala tayo.
hindi. Nasagot kayo parehas din yung tamang answer. Nasagot kayo parehas. Then yung correct answer yun yung ano. Paano ka nag-tayo test? Hindi kayo na. Okay. The line is best described as a itong line na nasa gilid. Dog. Sa inyo.
No.
Sir, syempre.
Yan sa amin.
Okay, the answer is dog. Oh. Mamili kayo parehas.
Ang palit.
Mag-jacket ko kayo ng dalawa kung sino yung mamili. Yun na. Sa inyo na lang. Mag-jacket ko boy kayo para sa mga pili. Siyempre, yung matatalo, safe. Oo. Yung matatalo, sila yung mamimili. Yung matatalo, safe. Yung matatalo sa jacket boy, sila yung safe, safe yung points nila. Okay. Yung number 4, yung panalagang kalit. Sure? Kanino? Oh, okay, game number 3. Okay, game number 4 na lang. Minus 200. Play by 3. Wala na pala dito. Okay, sorry. Wala na. Wala na kayo. Hello. Okay. Let's proceed to...
Kami na yan.
Okay. What's the ulit? Okay, after the group activity, we will have an assessment. Short quiz lang. Given the circle, yes. Tapos nyo kayo ibabas nyo mamaya. Given the circle, label the following. Be careful lang, there's uncorresponding color. Ano yung ibuhin nyo or ano yung gagawin nyo? In 5 minutes lang then pass your out. Ibigay niyo yung number niyo. Individual to individual. Okay, in 5 minutes, memory start now. Five minutes lang. May color coding tayo be careful. After the time, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Group number 2 and 4 yung panalo kanina. Bigay niyo sa akin yung number na. Kailang kayo sa members. and 45 seconds. Run on time. 34 seconds na. Later ka collect time. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On stop doing your activity. Cut your papers. Okay, for your assignment. In a short bond paper, create a design using circles, seconds, nudges, segment, etc.
Alam niyo, kasama lahat na yun dyan. Kasama yan. Eh, mga bad paper mo, kumain.
Okay, para picture na. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class. Okay, yung picture na tayo lahat dito. Then yung mga nanalo, lapit ka. Ilan yung group nyo? Sa leader na lang kayo bibigay.